Whoa. Contour. Does it have voice too? Yep. Hello everybody. Here we are sailing down to Barnegat Bay looking for refrigerators, washing machines, cars, tires. We haven't found anything yet. We left last night, 9:30 Beatons. Woke up South Cedar Creek. Now we're at the Barnegat Light. Oyster Creek Power Plant. Right to the right here. Over to the right. There's your Oyster Creek Power Plant. Our nuclear waste facility. You can go in there, the water's always 90 degrees, good swimming. The crabs are really big. They say you're not supposed to eat the crabs or shellfish in there. This over here to our left looks like Raretown. That's the Barnegat Bay heading south. This is our buoy we've been heading for. Over here's our buoy. That's South Barnegat Bay. That's where we're heading. Oh, there's LBI in the fire, the lighthouse. Here's our main character, Butters.